Hey, I wish I had Richard Lewis's act. You know, ladies and gentlemen, it's the beginning of a new year, 1992. Oh, my God. Can you believe that, Paul?
Unbelievable.
In a couple of weeks, you and I will have been on the air right here at NBC for 10 long years.
Unbelievable.
Celebrating. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I mention that because I so love the cheap applause it brings. Thank you. But since it is, we're just like a couple of weeks into the New Year's, we said to ourselves, you know, this would be an excellent time to take a couple of minutes at the beginning of the program and give you, the studio audience, and our home viewers a little quiz about current events. Now, we've had a lot of quizzes on the program, and we thought, what can we do that would be a little different, a little, you know, to make learning fun? Mm-hmm. That was the topic of the meeting this afternoon in Morty's office.
How can we make learning fun?
How can we make learning fun? So we said, well, we'll have this little quiz, but it will be like a sound effects quiz.
Sound effects quiz, I see.
Paul, do you have a little theme music for this? Tonight's current event sound effects quiz. I see you weren't at the meeting, Paul.
Well, that was current.
Yeah, but did it make learning fun?
Well, yeah, I learned something.
Are you wearing those tinted contacts, or what's the deal?
No, these are actual glasses.
Oh, those are glasses. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I thought you were looking kind of wild-eyed if that were the case. Okay, here's our current events sound effects quiz. Here's the first sound effects. Listen to this. Okay. Scientists believe this transmission from outer space is A, the result of a supernova. I had one of those in high school. Man, were they fast. I'm telling you. But, Jesus. Sucker. What an oil-burning pig that thing was. And they had them old-fashioned wipers. It was just, none of this. It just, okay, though. So is that from a supernova? B, coming from a black hole? Or C, where Jerry Brown gets his campaign advice. There, where? Yeah, okay. All right, listen to this one now. This will be our second. Okay, you hear that? Yeah. We are now listening to A, new high-speed lathe. B, NASA's state-of-the-art centrifuge. C, Lennon spinning in his grave. God bless you. How have we been able to stay on the air and on top for 10 long years? That kind of stuff like that. Just number 3, listen to this. Listen to this here. Okay, this is the sound of A, busy New York City delicatessen. B, a popular downtown barbershop. C, Wilt Chamberlain's bedroom. All right, listen carefully to this sound effect, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now, this is the sound of A riot in South Africa. B, a Manhattan building demolition. C, a fight over the TV guide in Biosphere 2. The unmistakable sound of a joke dying. That was for extra credit if you're scoring yourself at home. Okay, listen to this one now. All right, when you hear this sound, you know A, there's a hornet under the draperies. Boy, how often does that happen, huh? You get a hornet under your drapes. B, there's a mosquito somewhere in your tent. C, there's a fly inside David Duke's hood. All right, now listen carefully, ladies and gentlemen. Here's another sound effect. All right, you hear that? Think it over. Get ready for the quiz. This is A, the sound of deep space replayed by a satellite. B, audio tape from the South Pole. C, public reaction to Douglas Wilder's withdrawal from the presidential race. People don't care. People don't know he was even in the race.
I see, so it's just
Paul, I would take a little beverage break here. Do we have a little music to cover this awkward moment in the show? Okay, back to the quiz. Here we go. Knock it off. Knock it off. Thank you. All right. Listen carefully here. All right. This is the sound of A, bartender at work. B, some guys settling down to watch the playoffs. C, the gruesome fate that awaits the losing Bud Bowl team. You know, Paul, what may be worse than actual applause?
What is that?
Reluctant applause. Begrudging applause.
I know what you mean, yeah.
Oh, all right. Screw you and your whole show. Where are we now? Number 8 or number 9? Oh, no, here we are. Okay, listen to this one. Oh. Yeah, all right. These people groaning with disappointment are A, American stock market investors, B, New York City commuters, C, the housekeeping staff at the Japanese Prime Minister's residence. All right, this is the sound of A, Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. This is the sound of A, Jack Nicklaus during a PGA tournament. B, an amateur golfer during a Skins game. C, New York Giants coach Ray Handley during the NFC playoffs. Wah! Wah! Wazoo! Oh, yikes. Oh, I just spit a wad of something right over here. See, Ray Handley would out be playing golf because the Giants aren't in the playoffs.
I see.
There you go. That's going to go.
But, okay. So it was a golf sound? Oh, of course.
Yeah, all right.
So stupid. Boy, I'm stupid.
10 years. All right, now. Okay, listen to this one now. Here we go. Oh, get ready for real fun here. This is the sound of A playful pediatrician, B, a musical babysitter, C, Warren Beatty hitting on nurses in the maternity ward. Yes, sir. Solid. All right. We're going to do our first commercial. When we come back, famous movie actor Kevin Kline will be joining us. So come on back.